In this video, you will learn how to create a DeepSeek account. DeepSeek is an alternative to ChatGPT, and it offers many exciting features. Signing up for an account is the first step to using all its features. I will guide you through the entire process, so you can get started without any trouble. First things first, locate and open the DeepSeek app on your device. Once you open the app, you will be greeted by the login page. On this login page, you can choose to sign in using your Google account for quick access. However, if you prefer not to use that option, don't worry, there's an alternative way to create a new account. To create a DeepSeek account from scratch, tap where it says, Sign Up. This will take you to a new registration page. Now it's time to fill out some important information. In the first text box, enter the email address that you want associated with your DeepSeek account. Make sure this is an email you have access to because you'll need it for verification later. Next up is creating a password. In the second text box, type in your desired password. Then, confirm that password by typing it again in the third text box. After entering your details correctly, look for the button labeled Send Code, and tap on it. This action will initiate an email verification process. Before receiving your code via email, you'll likely need to verify that you're not a robot. Follow any prompts provided. This could involve clicking on images or checking boxes as required. Now check your inbox. You should receive an email from DeepSeek containing a verification code. Copy that code and return back to the DeepSeek app where there's a designated text box waiting for it. Enter the code carefully, make sure there are no typos. Next comes an important step, reading and agreeing to DeepSeek's terms of use and privacy policy. You'll find a checkbox here, make sure to put a checkmark confirming that you've read and consented to these terms. If needed, take some time to read through those documents so you're fully informed about what using their services entails. Finally, after all fields are filled out correctly, tap on Sign Up. Congratulations, you've successfully created your DeepSeek account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.